Bitcoin investor, and today I'm going to take a look at QTUM. So this is one of those mid cap which has been on the steady rise from the past few weeks. You can see that we were at around 0.001964 when we went above this 20-day moving average, which is the white line here. Whenever we are above this white line, it starts acting as support, and whenever we are under this white line, it starts acting as resistance. So on 6th of July, we were able to get above this line, and this is when it caught my support. It went above this line, it entered this red cloud. Let me just remove this red cloud to remove the complexities. We went above, got rejected, came down again to test the support, which is how a bull run starts. And then we went above and did 2x. That was a lot of that was a lot of gains. You can see that we went 133%. So if you were in QTUM, you made a lot of profit. I was not in QTUM, but since it has bounced off its support again, which is at 0.00215, it caught my attention, and I entered at around 2300 sats. Right now I'm in profit because it is at 0.000255, and hopefully this will be a great entry for me. This is the mid cap, and these coins generally pump when the Bitcoin is looking a little bit shaky, because these coins are relatively easier to pump. These are mid cap coins. So what's the next target? Let me turn on the Ichimoku cloud real quick, because that will show you the next target. You can see that these two are the moving averages of the Ichimoku cloud, and these act as resistance. You can see that in last week this red line acted as resistance, which is right now at 0.003100 sats, and it acted as resistance. Also at the same time, this green outline that you see, this acts as support, but our major support is at the 20-day moving average. You can see that it bounced off right off the 20-day moving average. 20-day moving average works like magic, and it provided a good support this week itself as well. So hopefully we will continue to move up, and hopefully we will be able to get outside this area of resistance and move to our bigger targets, which is at 0.007. This is my final target for this wave. Hopefully we will be able to touch this target, touch this very target in this cycle. So that's my target right now. Other targets where you can start selling your stuff is at 0.0004600. We have already touched this level, and hopefully we will be touching this level in the month of October. It's a good time to get into QTUM. The weekly is looking great, it's looking bullish, and hopefully it will continue this momentum. Let's take a look at the USD chart real quick. So this is the USD chart, and this is fetched from Poloniex. So it made a lot of gains in terms of USD because the Bitcoin was going up at a really fast really fast speed. So we went as low as 0.71 in the month of March. That was a brutal crash, and it made a 650% gain. Of course, nobody knows what's the bottom, nobody knows what's the top, but you can see that on the weekly we made a double top. You can see that we made a double top. We made a first top on the 17th of August and second top on the 24th of August. So this is how you can come to know that, okay, this is when I should start taking some profits. You can also see that this is on this red cloud here. Let me remove this thing. It acted as a resistance, so you can see that we immediately got rejected and went down, and again, surprise, surprise, we got supported by this 20-day moving average, which is at $2.2, and we bounced right off it, and right now we are at 2.62. We are already in profit. If you bought at the this white line, you're already at 18% profit. I got around maybe somewhere around here 2.38 or something, so I made around 10-12% profit, and I'm happy right now. Not sold anything. Hopefully I will sell something at 3.2 and at 3.79, which is where you will find a major resistance. I'm happy with the profits, and I'll be out. If you're a long-term holder, what are the targets you should look at? So the first target is 3.84. It has acted as a resistance, but I think we will touch it one more time before moving to the upside. The next target is at obviously $5.39. And after that, sky is the limit. Just keep in mind that QTUM was one of those coins which touched $100. Let me see if you can see that on Binance. Yes, it is there on the Binance. So you can see that on the Binance we touched $85, but I perfectly remember it touching $100 and staying there for at least a week. So on the Binance we actually touched $85, and at $2.60 it may sound like a bargain, but keep in mind there will be a lot of bag holders this time, which will take some profit. So people will take some profit at 3.88, around $5.5. Then this is a major resistance level, 7.49. After that, 10.88, $14, then $22. Nothing goes up in a straight line. You will have to wait. If you really believe in QTUM, yes, you can become a holder, but I don't like to hold onto my coins for so long until it is a Bitcoin or Ethereum, or it's a really solid project. It should be like at least 4 to 5 years old. QTUM is, I think, already 2 to 3 years old now. 3 years old project, right? So it started in September of 2017, so it is 3 years old, showing its maturity, but it has come down a lot. Like it was trading at around $100, and now you can see that went under $1 in the month of March. So keep that in mind. Take some profits when you are going up. Always take profits. Taking profits never hurts. If you're up like 30-40% in value, you should sell around 20-30% of your QTUM portfolio. So this should apply to other coins as well. So hope you found this video useful. I have given you the targets for both US dollar and Bitcoin Satoshi levels. So hit that like button to show your support. That's all I need from you guys. And stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency and IC news. Ta-da.